Hello, I am the uppercase letter S. And right now you're going to practice how to write me. Before C, I am letter X for snake. Good. Now grab your pencil and let's write me. First, be careful. Letter S is a bit tricky to learn, like you're writing a letter C, but you do it right on the dotted line. On the dotted line, stop. Good. Now you stand back, like another C, but looking backwards. Great. Another S, land on the dotted line, and another C looking backward. Great job. Another one, a small C up and a small C looking backward, down. Good. Small little X, small C up and a small C looking back. Great. Good. Back. Perfect. Now you know how to write your letter S. So grab your book and write me more letter S. Bye bye.